Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying these jelly pop items from e.l.f. So if you'd like to see me try them and see if they're worth it, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so I told myself after my last e.l.f. video where I tried the whole like matte collection, I'll link that one down below. I always get caught up in Walmart or Ulta buying something I ain't supposed to be buying, especially with e.l.f. because they have like pretty quality products without having to spend a whole lot of money. So I got all of these products, 4 products for like $25. I can't even lie, majority of the reason why I got it was because it was cute than the price. That's how they got me last time. So e.l.f. who's ever in charge of marketing, they need to keep their job because they know exactly what they're doing. But with that being said, I just want to go ahead and try these products. I just sort of want to get a feel for them, and shoot, I might have a new lip gloss. I'm always looking for a new glossy lip. You know, as you can see, I love lip glosses, ones that don't stick. The main things I didn't get was the primer, and I forgot, I think it was something else. I'm an oily girl, so a dewy primer is not for me. Okay, or moisturizer or things like that. I don't need anything to make my skin more dewy than it already is. It's just naturally like that. First thing I'm gonna try, y'all, it's so difficult to get out of this box because it's literally like a sticky at the bottom of this holding it in place, and it's like so irritating to try to get this open. Like, I need scissors. Like, how else am I gonna get in here? See, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's something holding it in place. I guess so it'll sit up, I guess. But this is just so irritating when you're trying to open a product. So this is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Face and Eye Gloss. Uh-oh, I didn't realize it was gonna be runny. That's pretty. Now there has been like this big trend of like glossy eyes, and whenever I try to do a glossy eye, I always just use my like lip gloss. But if your lip gloss is sticky, then you know that's not comfortable on your eye. So I wonder if this is meant to last a little bit longer. I'm just starting to get into reading what this product is all about, and it says this hydrating watermelon infused jelly pop collection uses unique jelly textures to give you a lasting sheer color, dewy skin, and healthy glow. I'm very interested. I'm just gonna do my eyes first, and I'm just gonna take my finger and apply it because that's what the directions say. So, ooh, this is pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Ignore the veins on my eyes because yeah, those exist, but I didn't want to put any concealer on. But that's cute, and there's like literally no stickiness. It's easy to get everywhere though, y'all. It can be a little messy, like just opening it, it can like kind of like do like a string of something and like fall everywhere. But I like the way it looks. It's very pretty and glossy. Okay, so what I noticed about this is, like I said, it's not sticky, but it does feel very moisturizing. And then I thought it would be more of like a clear, you know, color with the little shimmer in it, but it's like the reflective little shimmers are kind of like purplish. I don't know if y'all can tell, it's kind of purplish, but I like that because I didn't expect it. I thought it was just gonna be straight up like clear crystallized, you know, look, but I feel like this kind of warms it up a little bit. So I am gonna apply this to my face, but I'm gonna wait until I do my cheeks first. The next thing I'm gonna get into is the Jelly Pop Flush Blush, and this is in the color Peach Pop. Uh-oh, this is definitely like putty. Definitely, like, it's like kind of like jelly, but I feel like it'll really, yeah, I feel like it'll really spill if you allow it to. And this is like something I've never ever used before. It's very jelly like. It's the most jelly like out of everything to me. It says this unique jelly texture blush seamlessly blends into cheeks for a sheer wash of color and sheen without the stickiness. Infused with hydrating watermelon and a blend of rich oils to give the skin a fresh, bouncy look and feel. Apply the e.l.f. Jelly Pop stipple brush and blend into the apples of the cheeks, which I love the little jelly handle. I think that is so cute. And then it's a stippling brush, but I feel like these are like very sparse little stipples. The brush itself is just very soft. It says apply any liquid, cream, or powder product using dotting motions with the tip of the brush. To blend, use the whole brush to remove any visible product lines. Now y'all, I have to tell y'all, I'm someone who doesn't really use like liquid blush or liquid highlighter too often because I get a little nervous with, I don't want to like mess up like the foundation I laid. So I'm thinking this brush will probably help me out in the future when it comes to things like that, because this is made specifically for that. Y'all, it's so like, I feel like just holding it is just like shaking. See, when you dip it in there, it's not exactly liquid, so you're only picking up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. You're only picking up a little bit, which is good. That's what the like stipples are for, I guess. So I'm just gonna apply some to my cheek. Oh my god. That's pretty. I just want to make sure I'm blending it in well. That's pretty. I'm glad I got the peach. I forgot what the other color is, but I feel like this is working really well with the whole look. This is very cute, y'all. I can't believe I was like scared to do this. Like literally, now that I see exactly how this works and I have the perfect brush for something like this, I'm probably gonna do this all the time, because this is like, I don't know, it gives you like a dewy, fun summer feeling. Yeah, I'm loving that. I'm loving that. That's really cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the face and eye gloss, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheeks for highlight, because I already know this is gonna be popping as a highlight. So what I'm gonna do is like dip my finger in there and then kind of rub some on the back of my hand so it's not too much. That's what I be seeing the beauty gurus do, you know, so they don't be going overboard. Ooh, I'm loving this. Yes, that's cute. That's really cute. And it's like a natural, like blinged out highlighter, but it's still popping. What I'm really loving about this is that I can layer this on top of a full face. I thought it would move the makeup underneath, but actually the makeup is like totally staying in place. So I'm like, okay, this is way better than what I thought. I just love how natural it looks too. Like it's like a natural glow. I'm gonna take a little bit, put it on my nose. Put some on my Cupid's bow. I'm just putting it everywhere where I normally put highlight, really. And I'm glowing, darling. Glowing. The only thing I don't like about these products is that it does get everywhere. Like you're gonna have like glitter and stuff all over your fingers. And even as I'm like wiping it away with the makeup wipe, it's still like, it's like glitter. Once you get glitter on you, I'm just gonna have glitter on the back of my hand and my fingers today. So finally, this is the moment I have been waiting on. The Juicy Gloss Watermelon Pop. And they had a bunch of glosses too, but I tend to lean more towards reds and pinks when it comes to glosses. I don't really like oranges. And I was really excited to try it because I've heard great things about it. So I am going to wipe the gloss I have on already, because you know, we want it to have its own, we want to see what it really do. And I love applicators like these. I love the kind you just squeeze and just put it on your lips, because it's just quick and simple, you know. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells like it definitely has aloe. Definitely. And it's definitely a watermelon scent as well. Probably like, definitely watermelon and I don't know, banana. I love it, whatever it is. It just smells delicious. It smells like I want to eat it. Like, I literally want to eat it. Does it? It doesn't have a taste, which is a little bit disappointing. But just the smell of it makes me want to, like, try it. And, like, it just smells delicious. Like, I can't explain it. Very fruity. Now, it definitely does not stick at all. Yes, 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 yes. I love a good gloss that doesn't stick. My lips, I'm not saying there's a plumper in here, but I can almost feel like there is one because it's not a tingle, but I just feel something going on my lips. What's in here? It says, with added lip hydrating benefits from hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, coconut oil, and this, maybe it's avocado, yeah. That's what I'm smelling, avocado. It does have like a cushiony feeling. It's very hydrating, but it also feels like it's you know, like in the wintertime where you get one of those covers that are really heavy and it just blankets you and makes you feel so comfortable. That's how this gloss feels. Like, it really does feel so comfortable, and you can feel it, but in a good way. It feels so comfortable. I can't explain it. This feels good, y'all. Yes, this is definitely going in the rotation of lip glosses. I'm probably gonna use all of this up. I already love the e.l.f. I already love the e.l.f. lip lacquer, which is only $2. I use that all the time. As you can see, it's gone. But this is definitely going in the rotation. I forgot how much it was, like $5. It couldn't have been more than $5. Yes, I love this. And then it's super glossy. I like a lip gloss that's super glossy. It makes my lip look, you know, more pinkish. It's not like, it's not heavy on the color. It's definitely very light on the color. But I like the little slight tint it does give, you know? Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and give you my final thoughts. I really love how subtle this gloss is. It really does give you a dewy glow without looking greasy, and that's something I was worried about as an oily girl. But I like the way it complements my face. It doesn't really like take away the face and eye gloss. What I'm noticing, even just sitting here, it's only been like 10 minutes, but the gloss is like gathering in the creases, and I don't know if that's like a normal thing. I don't do glosses all the time on my eyes. Is that just like a catch-22? If you want to wear a gloss on your eyes, it's just gonna gather here. I don't know, but I just thought I would point that out. It doesn't really bother me because it's almost like a cut crease in a way. I mean, I just look at things differently. That's just something that I did want to note. As far as on my cheeks, obviously I feel like it gives me plenty of like bling, pop, and glowing at the same time. As far as the flush blush, I love this. I'm definitely going to be using this pretty much all the time. I'm really getting into blushes lately. It kind of warmed my face up the way I like for blushes to do. The brush, I love this brush, and I can't wait to try this brush in a few different ways. Like, even though I was skeptical of, you know, just the whole idea of liquid blushes or jelly blushes, this brush kind of really helped to change my mind. It really, I thought it was gonna like leave streaks or disturb the makeup underneath, and it actually did neither. So that's why I'm like so impressed by this brush in particular, and I know I'm definitely gonna just be using it all the time. Yeah, this is definitely going in the collection. I give this an A+. And as far as the juicy lip gloss, the more and more I talk, the more and more I'm liking this lip gloss. It smells delicious, like I said, and it just feels so comfortable on the lips. No stickiness, which is A1, and I can see myself rocking it all the time, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. So yeah, guys, overall I would give this collection an A. Like, I really love it, especially for the price. I feel like the brush, the blush, the face and eye gloss, and the lip gloss, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of all 4 of these products, because definitely I love like a natural beat, and this is exactly what this is. So you guys let me know what you think down below. Will you be trying the Jelly Pop collection? How do you think it looks on me? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.